about 7 o'clock now, and we arrived yesterday, so we're staying 3 nights. We've got our Quechua pop-up, fresh and dark, I think it's called, fresh and clean, fresh and dark, a blackout tent basically. We've got our Quechua Arpenaz Base M Shelter, and you might have seen from a previous video, we've got some couscous and rice going in one of the heat pads. And here, got a mixture of Trangia stove, Trekmate cook system, camping gas for later for the gas lamp. So we're comparing and contrasting several cook systems tonight. We'll let you know how we get on. Okay, Heather, we've just had dinner, yes?
Yes.
What have we just had?
I had pasta with mushrooms and tomatoes, and you had cassoulet with rice.
I know, I had chicken basque. I had basque chicken with rice.
Oh.
I think I've got cassoulet for later on during the week. And how did we cook it?
Mainly with the Trangia. We tried the heat bags, but they didn't really work today.
Well, the heat, yeah. I think we tried the heat bag for the rice, the packet rice, and that was fine. We tried the Trekmate cook system for the chicken basque. That didn't. I don't think we left it long enough. It probably needed a good 20 minutes for that. It was slowly but surely, I think, with the Trekmate system. However, the Trangia, it's like, turning a switch on a volcano. Once you start it, it goes. So I think we did 2 pots of water, and then actually heated the. Let's go sidestep for a minute. If you look down there, there's our little friend. One of our hundreds of little friends who are around the campsite singing and talking to themselves. And he's having some crushed cornflakes, just as a luxury. There we go. We used the Trangia to heat 2 kettles of water, and we heated the pasta, and then once we drained the pasta, we put in the tin of basil tomatoes, chopped tomatoes, and the tin of mushrooms, and then heated that, and we heated, as I said, the chicken casserole, and I threw in the rice as well. We heated it all. Yeah, we like the Trangia. It's not subtle. It's quite difficult to turn it down, and we tried turning it down earlier using the lid, but it was burning a bit ferociously by that point, and we put up one of these neodymium, is that what it's called, magnets, but the top got a bit hot, and I think once the heat demagnetized the magnet, so we have to bear that in mind next time. But yeah, overall success. We've got gas as well, but we haven't used that this evening. We might use we've got the camping gas lamp that we quite like later. We had used that in the shelter last night, and it heated the shelter, and it was warm, and it was plenty of light, so we were very happy with that. And I'm just going to pause for a minute and let you listen to the evening songbirds. If you like this video, please click like, then comment, share, and subscribe.